All right, guys, so we started painting, and my wife said, "Are you going to take a before and after?" And I thought, yeah, okay, I guess I will. So, here goes. Today, this is just simple. We're just painting the walls, prepping some trim. And when we get to that, I may film just a little bit of what we're doing to prep the trim, but here we go. I'm going to show you right quick, before and after. Well, okay, this is going to be before. Okay, so I got all my spots done. And start painting. That's where my wife said, "You better do it before and after." So, and my lovely assistant, my wife. So, just gonna go ahead and start painting, get it all done, and we'll prep the doors and trim and get them painted white. So, we'll get back with you whenever we get that done, and I'll show you how we're going to prep all this trim. You see all that shiny? We got to sand it and get it where it's not shiny. All right, be back in a minute. All right, I told you I'd give you a little bit of an update as we went. We got the walls, first coat on, first coat of gray. And there's a lot. You can see I still got to do a little bit of coverage on it, so. Anyways, we did get, let's see if I can keep it from washing out, but we did get everything sanded down, all the shiny off. As you can see, it doesn't have hardly any shine left to it. And I'm fixing to start painting all of those with what's blue right there, with white paint. And we're gonna get that going. And this window over here that's getting washed out because of the light. This one right here, it's in bad shape, but I'm just going to paint it white for right now because maybe not next summer, but by the next summer I plan on replacing every window in this house. So let's get going. I'll show you whenever I start getting a little more done. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you this. We started painting the ceiling and you know, it's pretty good. We didn't think it was all that bad until, oh my goodness, this is how much difference there is from white to, I'm not sure what color that was. We thought it was white, but when you put a good white against it, and wow, man, it's been a long time since the ceiling's been painted. In fact, I'm almost a half a gallon, well, I'm over a half a gallon in it now. I'll be back. Hey guys, you know what? It's been, I don't know, maybe a week and a half since we started painting and working on the bedroom. I just wanted to show you how it ended up, because next video, we're gonna be tiling the floors. And then we'll put on the baseboard, and then a little bit after that, we'll do the crown. So here it is. Actually pretty nice. We really like the colors. It's a gray. So we got a gray on white theme going here. Try not to wash it out. Now, oh my goodness, there's the storage area, which is gonna be a bathroom, but I do have a doorway for that. And that's going into our hallway. So, you know what guys? It's been really fun. It's been a lot of fun painting with my wife, just hanging out with her, getting to just do all of this stuff with her. So, we're gonna continue on. And I'm fixing to start tiling the floors. And you know what? As I always say, tell your friends, tell your family, tell a zombie if you see one, and I'll catch you next time. Good night and goodbye.